In many cases, you may be required to compare two ratios, okay, and find out which one is either larger or smaller. In order to compare two ratios, okay, whichever one it could be something like 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4, which is simply given to you in the form of fraction, or it could be something like what you have over here, 3 1 by 4 and 2 1 by 3. In order to compare these two ratios, what we need to do is first one should convert them into equivalent like fractions, which means that I have to actually get the denominator common in both the ratios, and then I just compare their numerator, right? So let's say, for example, if I had to compare these two, what I will do is I will take the least common multiple of 3 and 4, which is 12, okay? Now in order to get to 12 from 3, I need to multiply 3 by 4, right? So I will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4 in this case, and I will get 8 upon 12. Similarly, for 3 by 4, in order to get the new denominator as 12, what do I need to do? I need to multiply 4 by 3, right? Since I'm multiplying the denominator by 3, I'll multiply the numerator by 3 as well. And I will get 9 upon 12. Now, since the denominator is common in both the case, the only thing we need to do is find out which of the numerator is greater. In this case, since 9 is greater, which is for 3 by 4, we say that 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. Let's look at one more solution for this. Which of the following term is larger? 3 1 by 4 and 2 1 by 3. So 3 1 by 4 can be written as 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Similarly, 2 1 by 3 can be written as 3 times 2, 6, 1, 7 by 3. Now, it could just be that, you may say that because this has number 3 and this has 2, obviously this has to be greater than the second number. But assuming for a moment, instead of 2, if I had 3 over here, then what? Then this would have actually become 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3, right? Now let's say, for example, you have to find out which of these two is greater. Again, what will you do? We will see what is the least common multiple of both the denominators. Incidentally, this also is 12, right? So to convert this to 12, I will multiply this by 3 upon 3. 13 times 3 gives me 39, 4 times 3 gives me 12, is equal to convert this 3 into 12, I'll multiply this by 4, right? This gives me 40 by 12. Now, which one of these two is greater? The denominator being common, we compare the numerator. Since 40 is greater than 39, we say 40 by 12 is greater than 39 by 12, right? And that's your answer. So just keep in mind, to compare two ratios, the only thing you do is convert the denominator as common, right? Get the numerator and then compare the numerator.